Hello, I would like to introduce you to the innovative Grand Cook Stove. The Grand is lovingly hand-built by Amish craftsmen right here in the USA. They receive great fulfillment with the creation of each new cook stove, knowing the stove they build will cook the meals and heat the homes of families for generations to come. The Grand has clean lines and looks that incorporates a larger size firebox than most cook stoves. The unique plate steel damper system distributes heat and flue gases evenly around 4 sides of an oven large enough for 6 pans of bread. The simplicity of the design of this system ensures decades of worry-free operation. Unique among cook stoves is the convection heat dispersion spaces along the top of both sides. As heat rises along the sides of the stoves, it is vented out into the room by way of holes evenly spaced. This not only allows for more heat transference of the heat from the stove, it allows you to capture a greater amount of heat from your stove, which will warm your home and not be lost up the chimney. The main body of the Grand is laser-cut 1/4-inch plate steel. By using a laser during processing, the American factory which provides the steel can ensure almost 100% repeatability for each part. The steel is then fabricated and individually welded into the fine product you see before you. Each Grand must pass inspection along every step of its creation. This gives peace of mind to all involved that your Grand will be in perfect working order, free from any defects. The full-size firebox is capable of handling a standard size log up to 18 inches. This allows you to load your Grand in the evening before going to bed and wake up the next morning to a warm home and stove already able to cook your breakfast. The 1/4-inch thick plate steel used throughout the firebox further ensures years of use. One of the great features of the Grand is the tempered glass front of the firebox. Not only is the Grand an efficient and productive addition to your home, it also provides the aesthetics of being able to relax on a cold winter day and watch the logs burn. The simple draft controls in the door give you complete control over the intensity and duration of your fire. As I mentioned earlier, the oven is large enough to hold 6 bread pans or a large turkey or birthday cake. Unlike many conventional ovens, the even-sided oven heating of the Grand bakes your food more thoroughly. The top of the stove also gives you a place to sauté, fry eggs, or boil water. Pancakes, anyone? There are even 2 8-inch lids, which can be easily removed so you can place your pots or pans directly in the contact fire, ideal for wok cooking. On the back of the top is a standard 6-inch flue pipe to vent your flue gases up the chimney. The Grand Cook Stove is tested and approved for use in both the United States and Canada. The testing lab certified not only the stove itself, but the factory where each Grand is built, as well as the process to complete them. I am certain the Grand will be a featured tool and wonderful focal point of your home for many years to come.